1. This article talks about the basics of PPC and how it can be implemented, keeping the important things in mind. PPC, or pay-per-click, depends on various factors. These things are discussed in detail, giving the reader an idea of the various components of PPC. Advertisers bid for the keywords that a user enters in the search engine. The highest bidders' advertisements for a particular keyword are displayed in the search engine results page. Advertisers pay on every click on the advertisements by the users. This model is known as pay-per-click. PPC is a very powerful method that can be seen in digital marketing in Kolkata and the other states of India. Whenever there is an ad spot on the SERP, an auction for a particular keyword takes place. The search engines decide who will occupy the ad spots on the quality factor of the advertisement and bidding amount. To participate in the bidding process, advertisers have to post their ads on Google Ads. There are different categorizations in Google Ads, which allows advertisers to choose between different product types or locations. The way the advertisers entice the users to their advertisements is very interesting. First, the user enters a query or a phrase into the search engines. The advertisers then choose a keyword to target these user queries. A particular keyword may work for different search queries. After this, advertisers place their ads on Google Ads on a particular keyword. Next, in the auction, it is decided who will get the chance to display in the search engine results pages. There are different ways to target users with these advertisements. The ad campaigns can be optimized according to device or location, day timings, or demographics. Different categories might demand different ad copies. So, there is an option to place different ads for the same keyword, keeping in mind that one particular ad might do better in one circumstance, whereas the other ad will work better on a different circumstance. For instance, there can be many ads for the keyword digital marketing in Kolkata. All these efforts lead to the next important stage, the conversions. These ads must get enough conversions. Otherwise, the whole point of PPC becomes meaningless. So, the task of the PPC marketer is to track the conversions, to check whether the PPC campaign is working or not. There are numerous benefits of PPC. Through PPC, advertisers can drive traffic to their websites. One can know a lot about PPC's performance from the data available. This data will help to modify the advertisement if required. Also, one of PPC's biggest advantages is that advertisers can check the ROIs of their ads. There are 3 types of PPC: text ads, display ads, shopping ads. PPC is a complex marketing technique. It has its shortcomings, and when applied correctly, it can give great value to your marketing process. But PPC requires a lot of patience, and one has to experiment with different strategies to obtain the desired result. This testing process is fundamental to marketing success. Another important point is that ad relevance is the key to achieving a good CTR. If someone does not display relevant ads, her PPC effort will not stand the test of time. For example, for the niche digital marketing in Kolkata, one should be thinking about only those ads which are relevant to this keyword. Keeping these things in mind, feature articles, one can successfully run a PPC campaign for her website. 2. What does a lead investor do when you are trying to sell the company's products or services? Then it is usually best to buy the leads from another lead generation company. Investor leads are an online or offline marketer who contacts a large number of potential clients and who then purchases or matches them up with other potential clients. In this day and age, however, the majority of these investors will actually buy the leads as well, if they are provided with a satisfactory level of business service. In most cases, the customers that the marketers are going to contact are interested in the products and services that are offered. When you are trying to sell the company's products or services, then it is usually best to buy the leads from another company. It is more cost-effective, and the companies can actually offer the lead buyers a better selection of leads for sale. The lead seller is not constrained by the size of the business, the product or service, or the budget, and can make use of his resources as he deems necessary. Most investors buy their leads from other companies and also use their own online lead generation services. They are usually paid a certain rate for each lead that they buy. In many cases, these companies charge a minimum amount of money before they even sell the lead. In other cases, the lead buyer is paid a certain fee before the sale is made. What are leads and sales? The most important question of all in the business world today is, what are leads and sales? How many people have made sales at your store, and what's your selling point? This is a question that can never be answered until you have obtained a sales lead for your business. That lead is important because it is your key to success. Without this lead, you have no income coming in. Leads are available on a multitude of things. It is not always easy to track down leads. Some business owners are not even sure what type of leads they should be pursuing in order to achieve success. Do you sell food products or insurance? The whole basis of your business will lie in which category you choose to market in. Without a good lead, you will not make money. Leads and sales can be purchased from a lead generation company. This company will provide you with one or several leads at one time. For this reason, it is important to choose a company that specializes in leads. The leads that they create are used by other companies in order to generate sales and get potential customers. This is how you can generate sales for your business. Accredited investor leads are some of the best source of investments for those who don't have their own money but are interested in getting into the market but are wary of investing in stocks. When you sign up with the company that will lead you into the market, you will be entitled to free stock analysis reports from a lead generation company. Once you have signed up, you will receive daily newsletters from the company, and one of the top reasons why these companies get such huge profits is because they can usually give you different options on the best stocks to buy. Find article, and who knows, maybe they will even pick one for you. The other reason is that the company will not go under